Hello, my name is Ericabel Gaucin Daniel. I usually get up at 5 a.m. to go to work. Then I'll always take a shower at 5:20 a.m. I never eat breakfast. At 16 a.m. I start motorcycle. Sometimes I arrive and work at 6:14 a.m. and sometimes at 7 a.m. I often go out for lunch at 12 p.m. I work from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So I usually get home at 7:14 p.m. Finally, I have dinner at 8 p.m. and I rarely go to sleep after 11 p.m. Thank you.